So active and passive voice. Active voice means where the subject is the doer of the action, and passive where the subject is the receiver of the action. So here, for example, active voice, he does not cook food. The subject is doing the action. And passive voice, food is not cooked by him. That is, the subject food is receiving the action. So here I take up some questions of the previous year's competitive exam. So the first sentence you see, Razia Sultana ruled over the northern part of India. So the options you can see, all the four options, but the first option is not correct as it is in present tense. And the sentence, Razia Sultan ruled over the northern part of India, is in past tense, and that is the active voice. The third sentence, the northern part